Alright guys, welcome to my channel. See, we have taken a trade today in Bank Nifty, considering that the market news and the news on rupee, how rupee is declining and US dollar is increasing. So we have taken a trade. We bought a put of 40,000 PE at 349, and I'm at least targeting 100 points on this. So 450 is my target and 310 is my stop loss. So I've set my target for 450 and keep a stop loss of maybe 310 to 300 ready. By any chance if it comes suddenly down, I'll be able to immediately put my stop loss. So now let's see how this pans out for us. Yeah, and while we are moving ahead, I just put my philosophy here that there is always next best trade. So you only trade when you find a good setup. So I had a good setup, hence I basically went for this trade. I'll wait for my target and I'll also wait for my stop loss. So I'm at least targeting for 40,065, and I had actually planned. So here there was a support which it basically broke down. So we see this one at a time frame of an hour. Yeah. So there was support, previous day high, and then before this was a high, and then it was acting as a support. So then suddenly the support broke down. So there, as soon as it broke down, it kind of gave a confirmation to me that a strong support is breaking down. That's why I kind of took this trade, considering also, as I said, the current setup, current market condition, how the rupee is panning out against this thing, dollar. In terms of OI is something seems slightly confusing. I don't know whether Sensible is working fine or not, but just giving me chills. I believe the data is not right. There's something wrong. Okay, nothing to worry for now. I mean, we will wait for at least 100 of our target and 40 rupees twice. Let's see. And whatever happens, if this basically comes down to 40,065, Bank Nifty comes down to this, I'll basically take my target, even if it does not touch 102 rupees. Or if basically Bank Nifty going above and then going above its previous support zone and going above this 40,000, 300 kind of range, I'll probably exit even if it does not touch my stop loss. So it is coming down, guys. So right now, on a safer side, what I would like to do is put my stop loss. Let's just wait. If it comes in this red zone, then only I should basically consider doing this one. So far it seems good. Let's wait for the target. The OI is not, it seems pretty skewed to me. I mean, I don't see this to be true. There is something wrong. 40,300 big calls. And put is also here. Don't know what is happening. Let's just wait. Let's see what is happening. There is one more good part on this chart. If you see the OI, the increase is in OI. The put OI is slowing down, right? This is also one of the reason that that is supporting my trade. But I mean, this is Bank Nifty, guys. Anything can happen in Bank Nifty. Uh, so I mean, let's just hope that it goes in our favor. Otherwise, I've taken a good probability trade only, so nothing to worry about that. This is panning out to be good. So far as of now, if I see my profits, the profits have reached 7,400, 7,000, approximately 7,000. So let's just avoid this for now. And I'm expecting at least 100 point also Bank Nifty to go down. Maybe what I should do, I should probably slightly reduce my stop loss. So maybe I can decrease it by 10 points. Yeah, at least I think I can do that. It's alright. And my target is set at how much? My target is set at 450 rupees, which is 100. So I think I should be able to get that. I think, guys, it's time that we book our profits at 40,065 because this is a very strong support. I mean, a support where I should book my profit, but rather not trade a call side trade. So yeah, and what I'm planning, probably because it is near to the support, I'll probably take my 100 rupees ka profit. I'll book. I mean, 100 quantity I'll reduce at half because it is kind of reacting the odd way. Let's maybe wait for a while. $380. As soon as basically it touches 40,065, I'll be booking my profits, guys. Alright, guys, I'm booking at least 100 for now, and 100 I've exited, and for remaining 100 probably I'll have a stop loss of at my buying price, maybe 355, 825, and sell. Now this is breaking this support, this big support also, which is turning out to be really fantastic. Okay, so I've taken 100 out. I have 100 quantity left. I am standing at a profit of 12,000 as of now. Okay, now this is getting heavy. Okay, so probably 40,000 can be one of the good support. Let's just wait for a target. 452 rupees. Let's just see, and we'll also keep stop loss at maybe increased from 380. Save your capital as well as save your profits. Now the profit has gone to about 15,000, which is wow, what a trade! What a trade, guys! Great, we've hit our targets. This is a fantastic, thing. We had taken 40,000 ka put, and this has turned out to be a good trade with a profit of 15,000 rupees. Okay, so yeah, we made 15,000. You'll see my trade 349 by bought. I've taken out 100 quantities as 403 and 452. And if I'll have to explain you my trade, so Bank Nifty, sorry, Nifty Bank. And if you realize, guys, if we have basically taken out our trades at very right place, so this was our entry wherein Bank Nifty broke down its important support, and here basically we took our trade, and this was 40,065 to 40,000 is basically I believe to be a good support range where I basically took my profits out. So yeah, alright guys, so this was our trade. I'm signing off, and before I sign off, I just request everybody who is watching my channel to support this. You can support my channel by obviously subscribing it, so please subscribe and like. Thank you.